Okay, welcome to our today's class. In this session, we are going to see derivatives of trigonometric function. Derivatives of trigonometric function. So, derivatives of trigonometric function. Whenever we talk about trigonometric functions, you remember sine, cosine, tan, cotan, sec, cosec. So note that d by dx of sine x, or simply the derivative, just take it for granted. Okay? The derivative of sine x is equal to cos x, and d by dx of cos x, or simply the derivative of cos x is minus sin x. The derivative of cos x is minus sin x, because the rest trigonometric function like tan, cotan, sec, cos x, cosec involves either both of them, sine and cos, or one of them, okay? Either cos or sec, sine, or cos and sine at the same time. So that these are the foundation block. The foundation block for the derivative of trigonometric function takes this result for granted, okay? The derivative of sine is cos, the derivative of cos is minus. So example. Find d by dx of tan x. D by dx of tan x. D by dx of tan x. Let's see solution. We know that tan x is equal to what? Sin x over cos x. Hence, d by dx of tan x is nothing but what? D by dx of sin x over cos x. This is nothing but what? Sin x over cos x, the whole derivative. Therefore, we have got sin x on the denominator. On the numerator, we have got cos x on the denominator. Therefore, we have got two functions, sine and cos. Therefore, this involves derivatives of quotient function, quotient derivative. This is, you can treat sin x as f of x, cos x as g of x, so that you remember from the quotient derivative that f over g, the whole derivative is f derivative g minus g derivative f over g squared. It's like that. So sin x derivative, this is cos x minus cos x derivative sin x over cos square x, Sin x, the derivative of this, you multiply it by cos x. Next time write minus, derivate the denominator, multiply it with the numerator, which is not derivated, okay? Therefore, this is like this. The derivative of sin x is nothing but what? Cos x. This is equal to cos x times, here again cos x minus cos x derivative is minus sin x. With this minus, it becomes positive sin x times sin x over cos square x. Therefore, this is equal to how much? Cos x is cos square x plus sin x is again sin square x. This is over cos square x. From the identity rule of trigonometry, we were doing like this. This is like this. Y, x, r, x square plus y square is r square. Trigonometric, just Pythagoras rule. So if we divide by y, x over y, the whole square plus 1 r over y, the whole square, or else, instead of dividing by x, let's divide by r, x over r square plus y over r, the whole square. This is equal to 1. Therefore x over r, cos. Y over r is sine, therefore sine square plus cos square is equal to 1. Therefore this is 1 over cos square x. 1 over cos square x. 1 over cos square x. Also, we know that tan, or simply sec x is equal to 1 over cos x. Sec x is equal to 1 over cos x. If you square this, 1 over squaring cos square x is sec square x. Therefore, d by dx of tan x is 1 over cos square x, but 1 over cos square x is nothing but what? Sec square. This is sec square x. Sec square x. So the derivative of tan x is nothing but what? Sec square x. This is sec square x. This is sec square x. Okay, now let us see the second example. Find the derivative of sec x, for example. Sec x. As a solution, this is nothing but what? D by dx of sec x. This is sec x. This is actually d by dx of what? Sec x. Sec x is 1 over cos x, okay? This is 1 over cos x. Or simply, this is the derivative of 1 over cos x. The derivative of 1 over cos x. This again involves quotient rule, okay? 1 in the numerator, cos x on the denominator. This is equal to the derivative of 1 cos x minus cos x derivative times 1 over cos square x over cos square x. So 1 is constant. The derivative of constant is 0. 0 times anything is, or any number or function, that's 0. And what's the derivative of cos x? The derivative of cos x is minus sin x over cos square x. This is equal to sin x over cos square x. So from here, let's write it like this. Sin x over cos square x means cos x times cos x. I have cos x times 1 over cos x. This is equal to what? Sin x over cos x? Sin x over cos x is how much? Sin x over cos x is tan x times 1 over cos x is sec x itself. Tan x sec x. Tan x sec x. Tan x sec x is the final result. This is the final result. So the derivative of sec x is tan x sec x. It's obtained like this. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Leave comments. Thank you.